deeply regret everything that has happened because of my poor judgment. Talaga nagsisisi na po ako. Dami ng nadamay, dami ng mga nasakpang tao dahil may nagnakaw at nagkalat ng videos. Right now, I only feel deep remorse. You know, it's too much to ask for forgiveness right now. But sana someday people will learn to condemn the sin and not the sinner.
So dapat yung hindi lang gano'n, hindi lang kayo ng tawa, dapat po siyang para sa...
This all happened when he was a drug user. This all happened before December when he was getting his treatment.
Palusot ng magagaling abogado, no, sa korte na lang sila magpaliwanag.
He has never appeared in public that he has indicated other signs of insanity. So you cannot claim that overnight he became insane.